Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today my topic is the story of Louis Pasteur, chapter 7. Take out the book, New Radiant Reader, class 8. Okay, this story is for class 8 students. Now page number 30 and 31. Okay, I already discussed, and today I am going to discuss page number 32. That is from page number 32. I will continue and up to the end of the story. Okay, let me recap a little. Okay, Louis Pasteur was a French boy. He trained himself as a scientist. He studied a number of animal disease. One of these was anthrax, a disease which can also affect man. Now let's start from page 32. Okay, that is this part. Okay, but Pasteur himself had other great discoveries to make in this field, the most important being the discovery of how to prevent rabies. Clear? The most important being the discovery of how to prevent rabies. He had never forgotten the man in Arrobois was bitten by the mad wolf. Okay, he had never forgotten the man in Arrobois was bitten by the mad wolf. The germ that causes rabies is a virus. Okay, now what is the germ? This germ that causes rabies is a virus, too small to be seen under an ordinary microscope. Now it cannot be seen through an ordinary microscope. Disease may be taken by dogs, wolf, jackal, other animals, and men. Pasteur removed the infected part of rabbits suffering from rabies, and by treating these parts obtained the virus in a weakened form. Clear? What did Pasteur do? He removed that infected parts of rabbits, okay, suffering from rabies, and by treating this part obtained the virus in a weakened form. With this he inoculated animals. Some he inoculated before causing them to be bitten or otherwise infected. Some he inoculated after they had received an injection of the rabies growth. In both cases, the animals remained healthy. Now, he had done many things, but in every case, he had seen that animals are healthy and did not develop the terrible symptoms of the disease. So far, Pasteur's patients had been animals. Okay, he had not ventured to try to the methods on human being. Okay, so far Pasteur patients had been only animal. Okay, he had not tried on any human beings, for it was by no means certain that the treatment would have the same effect on them as on animals. Then one day, the 6th of July 1885, a very memorable day. Okay, listen once again, 6th of July 1885. Okay, it's a very memorable day for Pasteur. A woman came to him in great distress. That woman cried out, okay, save him, my son, save him, sir. He has been bitten by a mad dog. He is covered with bites. The boy had indeed been badly bitten, but even so, it was not absolutely certain that he could take the disease and die. What was Pasteur to do? Should he try on human beings a treatment? Now Pasteur was thinking, should he try on human beings that had been so successful with animals? He decided that he must. He took the boy into his own home so as to watch him carefully and gave him a series of inoculation. Okay, he took the boy into his own room and gave him a series of inoculation. He waited anxiously to see what would happen. At last the danger period had passed. The boy was well and strong again. A method of preventing rabies had been found. Okay, in this way a method of preventing rabies had been found. Pasteur's fame spread and he received honor from many countries. In 1888, the French government found the Pasteur Institute in Paris. Here, further experiments could be carried out and patients could go there to be treated. What has all this to do? What has all this to do with India, just as much as it has to do with the rest of the world too? Has benefited the discovery made by the French scientists. Here in our own country, Pasteur Institute carries on the work of preparing vaccines and further research into the many problems which still confronts the scientist in his battle against disease. So, in this way you have seen that how Louis Pasteur, by his effort, okay, by his concentration, he has made the vaccine. Okay, he has made vaccine and he has helped the mankind. Thus we all remember him, we all respect him. In my next video I will give the question answer of this chapter. You all read this chapter again and again. Okay, until then, goodbye.